Smoothie bowls seem all the rage right now, so I'm going to show you how to make a 2-minute strawberry smoothie bowl here on the Silly Kitchen today. Let's get started with some strawberries and yogurt. I like to use frozen strawberries and let them thaw out with some vanilla yogurt into my mini blender. I love all the juices from the strawberries when they thaw out, but if you keep them semi-frozen, you're gonna have more of like a frozen yogurt smoothie as opposed to a drinkable smoothie bowl. Give it a good blend, shake it up if you need to make sure that all that yogurt blends well and perfectly with the strawberries. You don't want anything left behind. Once you've pulsed that a few times, pick your favorite bowl and pour your strawberry yogurt smoothie mix into it. Here's where you get to have fun. Any toppings that you choose pretty much go. I'm going with some blueberries, some beautiful coconut flakes, and my favorite chocolate coconut granola. You add as much ingredients as you want to the top of this. I'm adding extra blueberries because some of them fell to the bottom and I wanted it to look pretty. But that's it. It is perfect for breakfast, for a snack. It is just a beautiful little summer bowl to start or help your tummy through the day. Whether you want to drink it or you want to eat it with a spoon, it is all up to you. Thank you for watching another video from the Silly Kitchen. It's 2-Minute Recipe Tuesdays, so make sure you subscribe and there will be more videos coming your way.